Finally, this week you can follow the pouring of the concrete of an area at Hilltop.
Questa settimana segui la gettata di cemento.
Suivez le coulage du béton.
Fun times at Hilltop. So the machine, the mountain, has been here all the time, and Mohammed has been trying to get up that drive. Now we're going to take the mountain to Mohammed and move the machine as far as we can down the hill, so that hopefully we can do it's the last load. It's the very last load of the day, and of course that's the one that's messing us up. Typical. So, finally we've managed to get the foundation down. A lovely concrete slab. I mean, it's much thicker than I imagined, and as you've seen, there's been a significant amount of work. I'm very much into the Kevin McLeod Grand Designs, because that last lorry cement mixer full, apparently it wasn't full, and so it didn't have to wait to be able to get up the road. So you can see what happened to the road. It's been a fun morning, and you know, while all of that was happening, the cement was starting to dry out, and so there was timing and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, very grand designs today, but you know, it's done, and you know, roll on the next step.